Hi everyone, I am Anna. Hope you are ready for Happy Halloween. Today we will have a very interesting idea. We will make a special potion from the blood of vampires. And today we begin with project number 1. This is what his bottle looks like, isn't it? As if it came from somewhere in distant era of the Middle Ages. And perhaps it was created by real witches. And of course I'm glad to introduce you my assistant Sonia. She loves all my projects very much and looking forward to the new one. So let's begin. I bought this gravy board in the Dollar Tree. Beside I attach a picture called rustic clear glass bottle. With black, to speed up the process, I just use spray paint. The next step, I made labels in Adobe Illustrator. I'll post a picture for today's project so you can use it. Yes, here I'm showing the process of how I did it together with my assistant, who could not wait for attention and insisted that I take a little picture of her. Trying in every way to get attention. It's looked like a little spooky ghost, don't you think? Here I show you how I made some more labels to continue. To made a few more options later. Step is to start cutting out the label. So I can stick it on the bottle. This is how I apply and glue on the mold pouch. Next stage. Here I show you how to make a drop. That is, I put a point and draw a line from it. Now I do this process on a bottle. I make lines of different lengths. Here I decided to cover the whole bottle with the mold pouch made. Here I'm starting to make small drops in the middle of label to add color, and this will be kind of logo. Then I add second layer of droplets. Here again they should be different lengths, different thicknesses to make it look more natural, dripping drops. The next step, I take mold and modeling clay. I start to put it in very tightly pressing. Well, of course, my assistant here really wants to participate in this process, and she really likes it. Then I take out the form from the mold and remove unnecessary edges. Sonia really wants to get a part. She just insistently recommends paying attention to her. Here I use the glue and just stick it on the surface of the bottle. I do the next one. I mirror it in the same way. I press it tightly and take out a soft leaf of the mold and glue it to the surface. I do the next one. I mirror it the same way. I press it tightly and take out a soft leaf of the mold and glue it to the surface. Here everything is just dry. I just start painting by covering it with black color, usually with acrylic paint. Then I take red acrylic paint with a thin brush and begin to cover all the drops of our vampire blood on the bottle. By the way, write me in the comments. What color is the blood of vampires? Maybe it is not red? Maybe it's some other color. You can fantasize. In general, I will reveal a little secret. After all, it will not be completely red. I decided to add gold because my bottle is vintage. I think it's a little charm. Here, I already show the final version. I take gold paint, remove the paint on a napkin, so that it's semi-dry, and I begin to add volume to the drops of blood with such light movements. I do not completely paint over the entire drop, I just run it over the top to add volume. I will tell you, this process is very bewitching. I highly recommend you repeat this. Also go through the leaves and give them volume. and I do a few strokes on the bottle itself. And that's it. It's time to enjoy the results. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button below and subscribe. And see the continuation of part 2 about creepy books.